Hello, my name is Andrzejkowski, and for this presentation, I'm going to review the Hazard Communication Standards Consumer Product Exemptions. There are two consumer product exemptions. One involves labeling requirements, and the other exempts the consumer product entirely from the Hazard Communication Standard, or HCS. For the labeling exemption, the HCS recognizes the Consumer Product Safety Act's labeling and communication requirements. In other words, consumer products that are labeled according to the Consumer Product Safety Act's requirements do not have to follow the HCS labeling requirements. While properly labeled consumer products do not have to follow the HCS labeling requirements, the consumer product may still be subject to other HCS requirements. For a consumer product to be exempt from all of the HCS requirements, the employer must show that the properly labeled consumer product is used according to label directions and that the employee's use of the product is for the same duration and frequency as that of a consumer. The key words in this exemption are duration, frequency, and intended use. For example, my use of a consumer multi-surface cleaner to clean my office desk is in line with the duration and frequency of consumer use. However, if the same cleaner is used by custodial staff to clean all desks every day, the frequency and duration of the custodial's use is greater than that of a consumer, and therefore the employer would have to include this consumer product in their HCS program. Additionally, the consumer product would also have to be included in an employer's HCS program if the product is not used as intended by the manufacturer. For example, if the multi-surface cleaner is used to wash dishes and the product's label directions do not include dishes as a surface that the product can be used on, the use of this product to wash dishes is outside of the product's intended use, and thus the employer would need to include the product in their HCS program. In summary, in order for the consumer product to be exempt from all HCS requirements, the product must be labeled as required by the Consumer Product Safety Act, used as intended by the product manufacturer, and used in the same frequency and duration as that of a consumer.